I know that you had Tristan Crawford in from AERALIS giving evidence. And Tristan's and the team's model of a modular system that would enable you to deliver capability for a number of different scenarios is something that we're very interested in. What I'd like to do is bring that capability investigation to a conclusion before we get into the next spending review and defence review, because that would be the point at which we would need to establish a programme. Right now, there's no money set aside in the defence budget for a replacement for Hawk, but 2040 is only 16 years away, so we will need to have our evidence gathered and developed, and for us to be in a position to make a case for investment as we go through the next spending review and next defence review.